Alright, so this is the Nekmit foldable charger, 20 watts. And I love the green coloring, but not a whole lot on the box. Their logo, will charger 20 watt barcode, and apparently have a 1-year warranty. And this works with basically any USB-C device. Get into the box here. Oh, look at that. I have never seen that. That's very cool. Little instruction guide. Look at that. And then the actual, that it? Yeah, that's it. The actual charger. That looks amazing. Some plastic on here. And so here we go, just the Nekmit logo. The USB-C port is on the bottom, and this, of course, just folds right out to plug in whatever device you have and charge it at 20 watts. So of course we are going to put this to test. We're going to find something to plug into this port and charge up for you guys. Alright, so this is the Nekmit 20 watt single port USB-C charger. I have my Pixel 6 Pro, and you can see it's all the way down to 15%. So we're going to use this charger with an official Pixel 6 Pro USB-C type cable and see how much charge we get on our Pixel 6 Pro with the 20 watt charger in a 30-minute time span. So let's plug this up. Very clean look here. Fold this down and ready. Take a look at the phone one more time. You can see 15%. We are plugged in. We are charging. Set a 30-minute timer. 30-minute timer is set. Wrong device. Yes. Stop. Alright, so it's been 30 minutes. Let's unplug the charger and unplug it from here. And we went from 15% to 52%. So that's pretty nice. 37% in 30 minutes. Side note, this phone does not have that December-January Pixel update, so it kind of doesn't fully charge at the fastest speed, but still very good fast charging for 30 minutes with a 20 watt Nekmit USB-C type charger.